Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be doing a video where I clean and show you how to clean and maintain your non-stick saucepans or frying pans as well. It's the second time recording this because the first time I didn't press record. So what we're going to be using is a little bit of fairy, and there's three main brushes that you can use, or that I recommend using. So you've got your soft bristle brush here with a nice wooden handle. Then you've got one of these ones, this shape, and then I like these ones here where it's got a flatter base and it curves up so you can get into the corners really well. It's also got a plastic scraping tool. This is the Velida, I think it is. So right, let's get started. So first of all, we're going to add a little bit of washing liquid, fairy or dawn, whatever it is you use. Then we're going to add a splash of warm water. So with our pan, with our brush, just going to go around and we're going to froth it up and get in all the corners. So that's what we want to do. You can always put it there and then froth it up that way. So that's an extra technique I like to use where I just add a bit outside and then froth it up before moving on to the pan. And then you just kind of froth it up as you go on. So we're going to get all the outside as well. And it's going to be the same situation with the lid. There we go. So we'll rinse it all off. And with the saucepan, as I rinse, I like to brush it. That's what's good about this, is that you can get it right into the corner. And that's that, nice and easy. And that will maintain your saucepans and help retain the non-stick properties. Thank you and bye bye.